Hello, and welcome to another update video on ADA. Yeah, here on the ADA chart, we were watching for still another low, and as I explained yesterday, we needed to see a 5-wave move up to suggest a low has actually formed. For now, as the orange scenario shows, we could get at least one more low, maybe even two more lows. There is absolutely no evidence that the correction is over until we break above this 71.5 cent resistance level, which is still resistance for the fourth wave. It also includes resistance for this fourth wave, the larger degree, because it's pretty much nearly a double top that formed up here. It's not even very clear to me if this is an additional 1-2 setup, but in the grand scheme of things, that's not so important because what really matters is the resistance area, and as long as this is there to give us the parameters for a potential upside breakout, that is really what counts. So for now, the pressure remains downward. One more low was still anticipated. I don't assume, however, that this fourth wave topped. No, I think we might still be in this fourth wave, and we're rather forming here a flat correction, okay? And that's possible that this was an internal B wave because the decline from the swing high on Saturday was a 3-wave move down. So the resistance area, you already are aware of it. You were aware of it already yesterday if you follow us on X. Yesterday I posted here that, yeah, we were watching for this wave 4 over the weekend, obviously, and it should stay below 71.4 cents. So it takes a break above micro resistance to indicate a shift in the microstructure. But a clear 5-wave move up is needed for a trend change. So this is what it is. You know, yesterday we wanted to see the market get into resistance, form another low. That happened, okay? That actually happened, but I don't think necessarily this fourth wave is already in. I think we are probably still in the fourth wave just based on this 3-wave move down, which just looks like an overshooting B wave to the downside. So while in the white scenario, a low could have formed already, it takes evidence, you know, to, let's say, believe that. Yesterday someone commented and said that he assumes we are going to go higher directly and that this is like a trap or something at the moment. Honestly, this could be the case, but exactly because of that, we have the resistance area on the chart, which gives us an early indication that the bulls are taking the lead. It would be a very early signal, 71.4 to 71.5 cents. And as you might remember from the previous updates, the target to the upside, still around 94.5 cents for one more high. But that structure will change, if we get a break below the May low, 6th of May low. Yeah. Now, I am tracking this in this D wave of the triangle to the upside as a WXY structure, right? And then the Y wave is an ABC. Honestly, other interpretations are absolutely possible. Easily possible other interpretations. So I always highlighted that my problem with this is that the D wave is so weak. I mean, it's possible this was the D wave, but it's really weak. So even if we go half, somehow it can still find a way to extend the D wave. But it takes a break above 71.4 cents to indicate that the bulls are trying it. Until then, the pressure remains downward, but please note that also there is some structural support here at around 64.4 cents, which is the swing low from the 6th of May. Overall, not really much action here on the smaller time frame at the moment, waiting for a clear signal that the bulls are motivated to make a comeback. That's the update on ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Don't forget, today, 5 p.m. UTC, we have our second member live stream run for this, on this weekend. Lots of coins will be covered again. I think yesterday I covered around about 40 in that live stream. You can find it on YouTube. Yeah, check it out, and maybe we'll see each other there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.